morning everybody. Today I've got here an Ozito 800W constant pressure pump. So this is a drinking water pump as it's mentioned on the website. It comes in a box that I've already unboxed it. I've had it in my shed for a couple of weeks now. It comes with a filter as well. It's a nice beautiful filter. It's a serviceable filter with mesh inside. Has O-rings around it. Has a clear gas to see what's going on inside, if it's dirty or not. Has a little gauge here that shows to 4 bars of pressure. The maximum pressure that it can output is about 3.8. Well, the price on this pump was $150, 150 Aussie dollars from Bunning Warehouse. So the package itself is about 8.5 kilograms. The specification is the pump itself is the electric pump is 800 watts of power. The max flow rate is 3.2 thousand liters per hour. The max head is 38 meters and the max lift is 8 meters. So one thing to mention, this is the output port and this is the input port. It's a 25 mil width input and output port. I'm going to install this for my water tank just to transfer some of the waters to my main tank so I can use it for flushing and water and gardening. Also, I'm going to use this to wash my car and use the other tank's water. So other specification about this pump, it has an installation base that you can actually put some bolts and nuts to secure this. It's about 1.5 meters cord length. Has a nice grab handle. So this is definitely a portable pump. It's not that heavy. As I said, it's 8.5 kilo. So what we have here also is indicator LED light. Has a on-off button here as well as the reset button. That's the same thing actually. The LED light shows power, pump on and failure. So if you want to see the other side, nothing special on the other side. One other thing, the specification tag is over here. Nothing except the thing that I mentioned. Comes with 3 years of replacement warranty, as mostly other Ozito products are coming with. One more thing to mention, we got a port here that is being used for priming. So in order for the pump to start, we need to fill this housing with water. So that's one thing to mention, and it's already mentioned on the manual as well. So I'm going to install this pump and I'm going to let you know how it works. Okay guys, seems like I've connected all the hoses and pipes and the electricity cord. Now the power light is flashing yellow. The filter is filled with water and I've got it connected to the water tank. So I didn't prime it because I watched the water coming out of the outlet and pushing the air out, so I'm just going to try it like that. Okay, the moment of truth, let's go. About 5-6 meters. It's a good pressure. That's a good pressure. Oh, the air is coming out. I like it. I like it very much. For the nozzle I'm using, let's change the nozzle, see what happens. So pretty silent as well. I like the way it works. So at the moment it's working toward 4 bars of pressure. And with this nozzle the pressure stays on 3 bars. If I change the nozzle to the high pressure one, that's about 8 meters, I can say. It's shooting the water. Yes, still I've got 3 bars of pressure while the water is running. I'm pretty happy. That's good. It's not my final setup as I need to connect it to the lower tap, but it shows how good it's working actually. Really okay, if I should say the final word about this 800 watts Ozito constant pressure pump. I can't see any problem with this pump at all. Actually, if I consider the price for all the competitors, I found them above 300 Australian dollars. This one is the previous model, which I believe the production is discontinued for this one. And the one available now at Bunnings warehouse is, when I checked this morning, was about $200. Considering the 3 years replacement warranty, the competitive price, as well as good water pressure, I am definitely positive about this pump. Okay guys, if you liked my video, please give me a thumb up and please subscribe for more videos. Thank you so much and see you later.